Alright, so I first got the idea to actually do this recreation, obviously, when I saw the video itself. As soon as I saw the sun, though, I thought of the first shape. Like, the first shape that came to my mind was the shape of those happy whatever birthday balloons from the dollar store, the ones that usually fill up with helium. And I go there way too much, apparently. I inflated one of them and did some paper mache over it. If you don't know how to do paper mache, basically you're just going to be taking a mixture of school glue and water in whatever ratio your project needs. Obviously, if you need it to be a little bit more of a watery consistency or go a little bit further, you can add some more water into it. I just used a 1 to 1.5 ratio of glue to water, so less glue, more water. Then slather that on and place whatever paper over top of it. I have an almost infinite supply of newspapers, so I just use those. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Once that's completely dried down, I waited about 12 hours for mine to dry. I added some more around it for the actual rays themselves. And then left that to dry once again. And once all of it is dry and all of it is stuck together, just peel it off, and then I freehanded the rays and then cut them out. Basically just draw them on. Use more or less, do whatever you want to do. I was just doing it specifically to the Gabbie Hanna Butterflies music video, of course. Now it's time for the paint job. I first colored it white so the yellow would really show up with 2 or 3 coats. And then continued once that was dry with the yellow. Same idea. For the vase, I placed sticker letters down on it and with my saying of "He loves me not" on it. I used 2 different sticker packs because I wanted some to be uppercase and some to be lowercase. And then, as I did with the sun, I put down a layer of white, actually a few layers of white. And then use a Q-tip to add a period to the end because the packs of stickers I got didn't come with periods, so I just thought, why not use this? It's round at the end anyways. Once that was dried down, I did continue with the yellow, a few layers of each once again. Added the period once again. And then peeled each of these sticker letters off. To reveal my quote. I did have to go a little bit around each of them with the same Q-tip just to kind of like fix it up a little bit, make it a little bit more tidy. And then it was time for the actual setup itself. All of the materials I have used, including with the setup and everything, are all from the dollar store, so it was super simple, super easy, and super cheap. But that is it for today's video, and I do hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!